been here before. All right, we're here with Ron Healy, Tuxedo Distributors, talking about their low-rise pad lift for pits and bays with pits in them. Take it away, Ron.
Sure. There's a 6,000-pound capacity pit lift. Comes standard with riser blocks for high clearance vehicles, and we offer as an option adjustable swing arms and drop-in pads for wider frame vehicles, mainly used in a grease pit type application. Does come with a dual cylinder and pneumatic airlock release, and also comes with a separate remote 110 volt power unit stand. We have also approach ramps, so you can do recess mounting with this lift, and comes with hydraulic hose steel covers. We do have these in stock for immediate shipment, and we're ready when you are on these.
All right, you can catch them on our website, ascdeals.com. Thank you, Ron.